Last year, this day, she planted the happiest flowers ever seen. To let go, to accept with it, the pain of medication, the past, the guilt. So brave that if the wind was rising, she would dare to live, shadowing us, being grateful, kind, and beautiful. And she hoped that if the heaven had visiting hours, she will be waiting. She will be waiting to be seen and still being brave, shadowing us under her roots, excited to go out and plant little flowers. This is for Ritu.